here's how to clean a northern puffish. You got to watch it because those teeth are sharp, and if they're alive. So I usually put a rag over it, and then I feel the back of the head, back of the bone, which is right there, and I cut through, right through the spine. Probably better if this knife was sharper, but it's a tough bone. There we go. Pull the skin back. Use a good stout fork. And then just pull it out. Throw this part away. And sometimes you might have fins sticking off the side you cut off. Clean all this stuff off. And then if you want, you can fillet it on either side of the backbone. The only bones are in this backbone, and that's it. So you can have like 2 tenderloins, but that's it.